Welcome back, guys, to another bonus this week. Today we're going to be talking about the upgrade checking account bonus. Now, this is probably one of the easiest bonuses I've ever come across, guys. There's no direct deposit. I'm pretty sure it's nationwide. It's just super easy. You just, number one, you're going to want to put $100 in your account, and you want to spend $100 within 60 days of opening your account, which is very, very easy, guys. Once you spend $100, you'll get $100 back. So basically, guys, what I'm about to use this for is a night out this weekend, maybe some Chipotle, fill up on gas. You just need to make three purchases that all equal $100 together or go past $100. You just need to spend at least $100, but you need to make at least three purchases. This is a private offer, as in you have to use a referral link. I'm going to leave it pinned to the comment and in the description. It's also right here on the screen, as you can see. So the details, guys. Oh, it's not aspiration. I shouldn't have had that in there. So this is for new customers only. So if you have an upgrade account before, you can't qualify. So when you click the link below, this is going to pop up. Number one, regardless of the bonus, if you guys are using a debit card and don't have a cash back, this is unlimited cash back on everything. So I would get this if you don't even have a cashback debit card, because it's good to have a cashback debit card. Although there is great credit cards, but you don't want to go past your limit, and sometimes you got to use a debit card. They have 2% cashback at some other stuff and blah blah blah. Anyway, you'll see the Earn 100. You sign up for it. It's just a regular bank account. It's going to ask you for your info, all that nonsense. Give it to them. You'll get an email. They'll say, "Oh, we're going to work on approving you." No one gets rejected for a debit card, guys. You'll get approved in a day or two. I got mine approved the same day, and then immediately made my account, and I put $100 in. It's still transferring right now. The problem is this is expiring soon. So by the time I'm done with this, it's probably another week, and I'm not gonna wait till I have the bonus in my account to make a video, because it just might be too late. Like with my last video on aspiration, guys, there was a 150 bonus, and if you didn't do it fast enough, now it's about, I believe, $50. But as you can see, here's my timeline right now that gives you the snapshot. When you go in settings, complete 3 debit transactions, I have 58 days left, and I'll get $100 because I actually used a friend to sign up for this, and you'll get $100, and I'll also get another 100 for each friend that signs up. So if you guys sign up, I'll get 100, which is just awesome. And you guys, the great thing about this is you guys send this to your buddies, and if they do this, you'll get an extra 100 per buddy, max 10 a year in the terms. Here's what the homepage is going to look like. It's super easy, guys. As you can see, it says my card is arriving soon. I believe it's getting delivered today. I have not yet had the transfer hit my card, but as soon as I do it, I'm going to get the 100. So here's the terms, guys. Maximum of 10 referral bonuses each year. So 10 of you guys sign up and qualify. I'll get 1,000, which is just awesome, and I'm sure everyone here knows 10 people. You can get 1,000 too, or at least a couple hundred. So eligible purchases, guys. I read the terms. You can't spend it on debt. You can't spend it at an ATM. Can't spend it at transfer, any of that weird stuff. You have to use it like a regular card, like go out for food, fill it up on gas, insurance, blah blah blah. Don't use it for money orders or anything like that. Here's some more terms. As you can see, you can't buy a gift card. You can't pay for checks. You just need to use it like a regular card, because they caught on to that. This card does offer 10% cash back at a lot of stores that are all random stores. Sometimes it's Costco. It's a bunch of random stores. You guys can look at that yourself. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, guys, I just wanted to add in here that for my last video, guys, I didn't have the bonus come up yet. Same with this one, because I want you guys to get the bonus in time. And as you can see, it ended up coming through. I did the money order for 1,000. I got the 150. One of you guys promoted it, did the same thing, used my link, and I got another 150. So thank you, sir, whoever did that. I just wanted to put that in there because I know right now I don't have the bonus on my upgrade, but that's because I'm not going to get that bonus for another few days, and this expires soon, but they usually extend it. But just in case, I want to get this video out there as fast as I can. Anyway, guys, drop a like for more content like this. If you have any questions, comment, I'll reply. And if you know about any other bonuses, I can make a video about it with details. I'll read the terms, etc. Thanks, guys.